Looking off to the south right now on our Coronado Skycam, skies have darkened, looking quite gray. We've got some more snow lifting in out of the south right now, some more snow showers on their way into the FM area momentarily. Ahead of tomorrow's first alert weather day, expecting more snow, some areas of wintry mix tomorrow, leading to accumulation, general 2 to 5 inches of accumulation across the northern valley. Gusty winds up to or even over 40 miles an hour, leading to blowing and drifting snow, poor visibility, and some snowy and slick roads. Let's get right to the forecast. So you can see the winter weather advisory in effect from 6 o'clock tomorrow morning until midnight tomorrow evening. All right, now to your first alert forecast. Some scattered snow showers continue tonight through the rest of this evening. Some brief clearing in parts of the area late tonight ahead of more cloud cover moving in late tonight and into tomorrow morning. So tomorrow, our first alert weather day. Here's what you can expect as you're getting ready to head out the door. Scattered snow showers in parts of central North Dakota and northeastern North Dakota. Expanding and lifting into the northern valley, northern Minnesota by lunchtime. Meanwhile, still pretty dry in the southern valley, but it will be windy. That wind out of the south and east gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour. We'll continue to see snow throughout the day across the north. Afternoon hours is when we have a better chance for some scattered rain showers or a little mix across the southern Red River Valley. This is along a front. The low pressure is right here. You can kind of see that change in the wind direction as well. So in the colder sector of that, all going to be snow. In the warmer sector, rain before changing over to some snow through Lakes Country a little later tomorrow evening. As for snowfall potential, again, most of it's going to be across the north, where temperatures are going to be cold enough throughout the duration of our day. A general 2 to 5 inches going to be possible, but isolated 5, 6, maybe even 7 inches of snow going to be possible. Very isolated. Southern Valley not expecting much at all, but there's that narrow band of evening snowfall through Lakes Country. As for right now, 32 overcast here in Fargo. The south end of town likely seeing some flakes right now. The north end, where this data is coming from the airport, not seeing flakes yet. Wind out of the northeast at around 7 miles an hour. 22 Grand Forks. Some peaks of sunshine right now before the sun sets at 6:20. Northeasterly breeze at 12 miles per hour. Here's a look at those snow showers right now. The earlier snow showers that moved through dissipating into northern Minnesota. Here's a closer look. Again, right on our heels here in South Fargo. See those darker blues? Likely to see a few more of those very large fluffy flakes here soon. From Breckenridge down to Wheaton Elbow Lake, seeing rain showers because that's where temperatures are still close to 40 degrees. We're right at 32 here in Fargo, 18 Langdon, 19 Devil's Lake. Temperatures tomorrow coolest up to the north and west, warmer in the southern valley. So here's a look at your planning forecast. By Thursday, the sun returns, temperatures warming. We have 50s to near 60 on tap for next week.
Every day next week looks amazing.
It looks so good.
Very
We just got to get through tonight and tomorrow first.
Right. We can do it.
We can do it.